Okay, store owners, today we're going to talk about markdowns and the importance of them. Now, before you change on a price and item, stop. Think about it. Don't just change what the original price is. Go ahead and create a current price. Think about this. Knowledge is power. Your point of sale is more than just ringing up a customer sale. You can use promotions, coupons, discounts, all to give you the reporting you need to see if it worked, if it didn't, and repeat the promotion or the discount if it worked, and help you create more sales and bigger revenues. So, if you repeat a markdown or current price, let's take a look how we suggest you do it. Let's go over to our point of sale, and we're going to pick an item in our inventory. Let's search here. I know we have a lot of beach products that I haven't sold in a while. So let's talk about let's go ahead and use this candle. I love this candle. Oh, it's already got a current price. The original price is $34.99. The current price is $29.99. The importance here, if you notice, we did not change the original price. With the current price, it still tells us our margins. So let's take a look at that and the importance here. Right now, the original margin is 65%. Once I put in $29.99, we can see our current margin will be at 60%. We're still good with that. So we're going to go ahead and save the item. Now, keep in mind, you're going to want to check on any promotions that you have running. So currently, let's take a look at our promotions that are active. It looks like we do have the first Monday of the month. Well, that's paused. If we even had that at 10%, we'd still feel comfortable with the price. So let's take a look at our point of sale. Let's go ahead and find that item. You would scan it. And here we have. The customer is even going to reflect this on the receipt. We have original price at $34.99, current price at $29.99. Shows them a $4.50 discount. And there you go. We want to make sure you add your customer. Don't ever forget to do that. And you're done. And subscribe to us or look for our video, and I'm going to show you how to find all these in your reporting. Have a great day.